Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how AI builds a landing page in minutes with all the HTML done for you. So what I'm going to show you first off, we're going to head over to, I'm on ChatGPT now. What you're looking at now is my prompt. And this is the prompt for the landing page that I'm going to duplicate. We're going to head on over to Abacus AI, aka also known as Deep Agent. That's what it's commonly known as. And I'm going to be doing the demo using that. And I'm going to be replicating this page right here. This is my Unlock 20 Plus Elite AI Tools plus my Proven Prompt Vault. Transform how you build, scale, and sell online free. And these are the 20 free marketing tools I'm giving away. If you're interested in picking these up for free, let me know where to send them. The link's going to be directly below in the video description box. But these are all the tools right here. There's a ton of them, and they're very useful, and they can help you and your business out. So with that being said, we're going to duplicate this page. And then we're going to head on over to this site right here. This is the main site. This is the main site right here, the main sales page. But this is inside the dashboard right here. I'm going to start right here. I've already got this kind of built right now for you, so it saves time. So you're not sitting here for minutes while it's generating and all that stuff. It's already done, but I'm going to show you how this process works. Then I'm going to head on over to my site, and then we're going to, which is right here. And then we're going to put what we created using Deep Agent. We're going to create this landing page. I'm going to show you how to put it on a blog, as a blog page, blog post, whatever you want to do. It's all the same basic philosophy. So with that being said, let's dive in. I'm going to try to make this easy as possible. And if you got any questions, the link's going to be directly below. Also, if you want to check out Abacus AI, the link for this is going to be directly below in the video description as well. So feel free to check that out at your convenience. So with that being said, let's go back over here and check out the prompt first. And here's the role. You are a professional web designer and copywriter. The goal is to create a responsive landing page for my site, jaysonlinereviews.com. The page must promote a free AI marketing toolkit, which is 20 plus tools in my Proven Prompt Vault, and direct visitors to my main opt-in form, which is right here. Design inspiration. Use the style and layout of my existing AI Toolkit Vault page, and it tells you all the different parameters, how to structure the page. Tool grid section, bonus section, opt-in form section, etc., etc. And all you got to do to get a great output like this with ChatGPT or any large language model, give them the link to your site. Whatever you're trying to duplicate, say, this is what I'm trying to duplicate. Give me a prompt that's going to give the best possible output for using a tool like Deep Agent or Manus or whatever other large language model or agent they're using to create, get stuff done for you a lot faster. That's what the purpose of these are. So this is the prompt. It's a very good prompt. What you're going to do is just obviously copy this. We're going to copy the whole prompt with the links and everything. Head on over to Abacus.ai. Sorry, I got a lot of boxes opened up here. This is the part you're going to want to be on. You're going to click on Deep Agent here. This is the inside the dashboard. These are the large language models, and it's got pretty much every large language model. Pick whichever one you want. Custom bots, you got that as well. I created a bunch of different chat bots for my site. Actually one, but they're different versions. So you can create as many as you want. You can do all kinds of stuff with this. This company I like because they're based out of San Francisco, which is in the United States, California, and Silicon Valley. Whereas Manus, nothing against Manus, a great product, but it's based out of China. I want to spend my money in my home country. If you're based out of China and you're watching this, you might want to go with Manus, obviously. But comparing the two tools, they're pretty similar. I like some of these things on Abacus. It does better. It's got some more options. Manus, I like the way it's laid out a little bit better. But other than that, they're pretty similar. So I'm spending my money in the good old USA because that's where I'm from. And like I said, they're pretty similar. So, and that's what we're doing this demo on today. So what you're going to do here is go to Deep Agent. Click this button right here where it says Deep Agent. And it's going to go over to where we just were. You're going to paste your prompt in right here. And then you're going to hit, obviously, the enter key, the arrow, go, whatever you want to call it. You're going to hit that. And then it's going to start working. And then it's going to come up with. Let me see which one I got opened here. I got too many windows opened here, but it's this one. Yeah, right here. So here we go. This is a finished product. I did this in advance, so you're not sitting here I'm not wasting your time. You're not, and all that's good stuff where you're sitting here for 5-10 minutes while it works and builds the actual sales page. It doesn't take long, but this saves a lot of time by having it pre-done. So this is what this was the prompt. This is what it did. It's going through all the steps when it was working. And it tells you how many credits it used, which is 123, which isn't much at all. It tells you what it did, the page structure, the key features. And this is, I think it used like 60 credits, which is nothing. So that's very good. And what you're going to do, this is a finished product I came up with. Unlock 20 free AI marketing tools and a prompt vault. Give the exact tools and proven prompts that marketers use to build funnels, emails, and websites in minutes. Create high converting pages, posts, and ads in seconds. Access a curated vault of proven marketing prompts. Boost conversions with professional funnel templates. Find profitable affiliate programs instantly. Generate unlimited business ideas and content. And then when you click on the button here, it's going to link over to my actual landing page where you can get all your free tools. And then it's got different products from, it actually did a really good job. So it's got some different tools laid out, exclusive bonuses. It's got an email opt-in form, which obviously you'd have to set up. So this isn't going to work, but that's cool that it's already, the placeholders are already there. So all you'd have to do is connect this to your autoresponder. And there you go. It just created this literally in under 5 minutes. What we're going to do now is grab the code. You're going to do this same philosophy, same steps for any kind of landing page, website, whatever you're building. It's going to be the same exact way that you're doing this for all these tools. You're going to take all this HTML, you're going to copy it from line 1 all the way down. Just scroll down. And we got 507 lines. We're going to copy all this. Hit copy. Now we're going to head over to add page. Come up with our title. I'll show you that in a second. So what we're going to do here is we are going to add an HTML block. So you got paragraph, heading, lists, separator, custom HTML, image. If you don't see this, just type in HTML right here, and it'll pop up. But usually it's right here for you to see right off the bat. So what you're going to do is click custom HTML. You see where it says write HTML in here? We're going to paste all that code here. All we're going to do is right click, click paste, and we're good to go. Go back up. We're going to add a title. And you can say preview right here. And boom, there's our whole page right here. Look how nice that looked. This could be a little lighter, but other than that, it's pretty dang good for a few minutes. Simple landing page created, and you can make the landing page as complicated as you want or as simple as you want, obviously. We're going to go over and put the title in for this particular page. And that was right here. Let's see here what the title we came up with. Let's go back up here. And I can't remember the title for this particular one, so we're going to ask. We could put anything there, but I want to make sure it's right, what I had before. What was the title of this landing page? We just created. And I'm doing this because I want to make it right, because I'm going to publish this right in this video. Show you how to do this from as easy as possible. So I don't want to put just anything in there. So we're going to wait for it to think. And I'm in agent mode now. This is the next video I'm going to be doing in a second, showing you how to use ChatGPT with agent mode as well. As you can see, that'll be a video coming up next. So make sure you subscribe for my latest video on ChatGPT's agent mode. Now it's asking proposing landing page title. The user asks for the title landing page based on the page's focus. The title emphasizes, and then here's the title. That's pretty good. Unlock 20 free AI marketing tools and Prompt Vault free toolkit for marketers. That'll do. Similar to my original. So we're going to do that. Copy that. Paste that here. This is a page, so we're not going to be adding tags and all that stuff. And then all you got to do is, I could do a permalink if I want. What's a good short permalink for this page for SEO? And it's going to come back. It'll probably say like something like free AI marketing tools. We'll see what it comes up with. And we're going to wait for that. Come back to the page. And you can go over here. I'll come back here in a second. You can come over here and add an intro if you want to. You don't need to because it's already pretty much done. You can add a facts section below this, even for more SEO juice. It's always good to add facts. So, you know, all the AI tools are going to index your site. Google Answers will and all that stuff. So you can add some more content at the bottom of your landing page as well. And you can tell ChatGPT to do that, or you can use Deep Agent or Manus or whatever you're using to do that as well. So that's another tip you can use as well. But we're going to go back over here and see if it came up with a permalink. Yeah, free AI toolkit. That'll work. We're going to go over here, go into page, and this is a slug. That's your permalink. We're going to delete it. Everything that's in there right now, paste that in. And we're good to go. So this is done. Once again, HTML here. Preview shows you what it looks like when you paste the HTML in, what it's going to look like when you publish it. This is going to link to my actual 20 free AI tools. We're going to hit preview again, and we're done. Click page, hit publish, and we're good to go. And we're going to wait for this to publish. It should take a second here. And I'm going to show you it live on one of my sites here. It's all done. And there she is. You click on my link. It's going right over to my actual landing page on my other site. And that's it right there. It looks pretty dang nice for doing it in a few minutes. But that's that. That's all you're going to do. That's how to create a landing page using AI models like agent models like Abacus AI, aka Deep Agent, or Manus AI. That's going to do all the work for you. This is going to do all the heavy lifting, creating websites, creating apps, creating landing pages, doing all the 80-20 stuff that takes you like days and weeks to do. This can help you do it in literally minutes. So I hope I helped you out. If you weren't sure how to use different agent models and how to create landing pages and all that stuff, I hope this video was useful. And like I said, you're going to use that same HTML, the same basic philosophy that I just showed you for this landing page, for apps, for websites, for all that good stuff. Especially if you're using, you want to take whatever you created and put them on your website or blog. It's the same exact steps that I just showed you. So if you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. I'd appreciate it. I'll answer them as I get them. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you out. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. I'd appreciate it, and subscribe for my next video. And my next video is going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT with agent mode. It's a new feature that just came out. So yeah, with that being said, the links directly below are for Abacus if you want to check that out. It's $10 a month, well worth the money. And you can also add credits as well. And Manus is a little bit more. So it depends on what you want to use. Use whatever you want, obviously. But it's pretty cheap. And then make sure you grab my free tools directly below as well. There'll be a link directly below as well. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you in my next video. You have a great day. Bye-bye.